Okay, so food is expensive. Being able to build nutritious meals can be a challenge. And while organizations like PPH continue to advocate for solutions, we do have some tips for you today that can help some people adapt to changes in food prices and availability. Now, these tips are not going to decrease food insecurity or solve any of those problems, but they might help make your life a little bit easier when you're planning and shopping for groceries. The first is to have a plan. When you have a plan, you can help reduce food waste and save money. Start by planning your meals for the week and then work back to determine which items you need for those meals. And finally, make a shopping list so that you only purchase those items and avoid picking any extras at the store. The second tip is to leverage your leftovers. Plan for meals that can last 2 to 3 days after you prepare them. This can provide options for quick meals later in the week. You can also freeze meals as your own fast food option and grab them and heat them up throughout the week. Finally, try plant-based proteins or frozen produce. If you swap out meat for legumes and beans, it is a cost-effective way to get some protein. You can also purchase frozen produce as a great cost-effective option. The produce still has all of the important nutrients, but is less expensive and can be stored for longer. For tips and recipes, visit www.foodliteracyptbo.ca.